Translator? Well, speaking of the current state of the film industry in the Philippines, it's always a struggle. We've been struggling ever since the pandemic, and until this day, we've been struggling. Star Cinema has been blessed, very blessed with box office hits lately, but it doesn't represent the whole industry. So we're trying, where everyone's trying to come out with better content or better content for our fellow Filipinos. And getting into Hollywood, it's baby steps, baby steps. I always feel that we should start in our country first before we should go out. But like what Star Cinema and ABS-CBN is doing, we also cater to all the Filipinos abroad. As we all know, we have a lot of Filipinos worldwide. And we can start from there, then we'll see where it can go. But ang priority talaga namin ay mga Pilipino dahil kayo naman talaga sumuporta sa mga pelikula, sa mga teleserye ng ABS. So, you guys are the priority.
Nice. And Paolo, you're absolutely right. I mean, yung industriya talaga, it feels like it's trending even here in Hollywood, no? And so we need every single person to go out there and buy a ticket to the movie. Bring your non-Filipino friends, because it looks like this movie is sexy. They're gonna love it. And
rated PG naman kami. Hindi ko rin yung sexy. Para kayo tanduay yan. Hindi naman siya kapag.
Grabe! Wow!
Bakit may ganyan? Ba't ibang shape yan? Bakit mas maliit na size?
Alright, so we have another question.